Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In our previous lesson, we discussed about ls, pwd, clear and cd commands. Today we are going to talk about the next set of commands. So today we will be discussing about only two commands. One is grep and another one is find. So I'll just give a brief introduction about what is it and what is the purpose of these two commands. So whenever we are in project, if you want to find any string or if you want to find any file name, okay, then it is very difficult if especially if you're having multiple files. So that time these two commands will be helpful. So the first one, grep is used for finding the string in multiple files. So it is applicable for both files and directories as well, and also the subfolders. Recursively it can search as well. We are going to see the command, how we are going to use it. So to start with, I'll just go to one directory which I have already created, which is tutor. Okay, so it contains multiple directories and files. So ABC, CDE, and DEF, these are the directory names, and sample.txt is the one more regular file. So we are going to see the contents before executing the grep command. Let's say, so here some things are there. Some are repeated, hello and welcome are repeated, and some file, some city names are there. So this is the content in the sample.txt. Now let's go to ABC directory. Let's check what is there. So test1.txt, it contains some city names as well. Now test.txt, it contains city names and some other, and so some things I have purposefully kept for understanding the grep in much better way, like and Hyderabad, Bangalore, some things I have already kept. So like this, CDE and DEF also have some things. So let's start with the grep command, simple command. So we have seen and, hello, welcome. These are all the strings. So now I wanted to find from the tutor directory. So in the tutor directory, we have subdirectories as well, and also the regular files. Now I'll give a simple command, grep minus grep, and then you want to search, for example, and is the string which you want to search. So this is followed by the directory name. So directory name or file name you can give in any of the all the directories as well. Also you can give. So if you want to give all the directories and file names, you can just give star. Or if you want to search specifically, you can give the file name. Or if you want to search in one particular directory, you can give that particular directory. So now I'm giving a simple thing, for example, sample.txt, which I already know correctly that it contains hello and welcome. So now we have got the result. So it is showing the and whatever the search pattern, it is showing in some different color for easier understanding. So this is very simple command from the grep point of view. Now I want to know along with the line number and ignore case and also recursively. So this is the main thing. Okay, so n means there are multiple options here. N means line number, I means ignore case. Ignore case means even if you find A and D in capitals, that also it is going to give the result. And R means recursively. Recursively means inside the tutor we have seen A, B, C, D, E, F, and some other subdirectories as well. Means inside that also it will go and search and it will fetch the result and it will show in the screen. So let's see how it actually works. So I have not given other directories as well. So instead of this, I have given just sample.txt. That is the reason we are getting the same results. But because of the reason we have given n, so we are getting the line number as well, followed by the strings what we have found. Now let's check it out with current directory. So from the current directory, it is going to show in the present directory sample.txt and in ABC test.txt. So in DEF and other files, other subdirectories, we didn't find anything. Okay. Now there is one more thing, CDE. Let's say in this I have written some programs. Okay, so these are all some C files, basic files. I'll try to find main, because every C program contains main. I'm going to see row.c, row1.c at the line number, file name followed by line number and followed by the string, and that complete line it will show. So this is the beauty of grep. Okay. So this is about grep command. And coming back to Linux find command, find is used for finding the file name or the directory name as well. It will find. So for example, here ls. So we have abc, cde, def. These are all the directory names. And in the abc we have text and text. So basically, I'm trying to find the text files. Okay, so I'll just come back to the tutor. Now I will give the find dot minus name. Now here I'm going to give the star dot txt. Means it's going to find the file names. I don't know the file names basically, but I know very correctly that the extensions of txt, all the text files I'm going to search. So for that, we are going to give this particular command. Here it is, the result. It contains sample.txt and abctest.txt and abctest1.txt. So in these two file names, there are no text files present. So instead, if I give .c instead of .txt, so it is going to find in def. Def we have the file names. So now in this time, abc doesn't have any .c files, and def cde directories doesn't have any txt files. So this is the advantage of the find command. Means wherever you are, right from the root directory. So if you want to give from the root directory, also you can directly give here. This is the dot means the current directory, and home. You can go from home directory also. Okay, and we have multiple options. Ignore case. Okay, so just like we have seen in the grep, we have ignore case. Similarly, we have in the file name, if you give I name, it means it will ignore the case, uppercase or lowercase, and it is going to show all the .c files in the particular directory, all the file names. And one more important command is very important actually to note: find minus m time 10, for example. It means this is very helpful in the developer environment. We are working on some important module where you are supposed to do some file modifications, multiple modifications, and the project that you are working on goes for almost 1 month to do the modifications. So in this 1 month, there are patterns like you might have forgotten after 5 days or after 10 days. You might have forgotten about what are the file names that you have modified recently or in the past 10 days. You know very well that in the past 10 days you have found out that some files has been modified, but you're not sure about what are those files. So roughly you know that in the past 10 days I have modified. So for that case, okay, so this command will be helpful very much. So this I'm going to show in the previous directory because I have some modified files here. Find minus m time and 10. So here you can see the results. So insert size array, a dot out. So these are the programs that I have modified last 10 days. Since 10 days, these are the files which I have modified. From this, you can easily find out. Then you no need to track what all the files have modified, and it will save hell lot of time when compared to tracking the different files by scrolling up and down and in which files have already done the modification. So that's it for today. To conclude, grep or the find grep and find commands are the Linux commands which are used for finding the string and also the file names. So grep is used for finding the strings, and find is used for finding the file names. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe and click on the bell icon for not missing the technical updates. Thank you and see you again.